On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money for free with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without investing anything and without any experience. Make sure you keep on watching till the end because I'm going to be showing you a new website that you can promote your offers. And the best part is that this is highly targeted traffic source, so if you promote your offers, you are going to be getting conversion. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, I'm using CPA Grip. CPA Grip is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can search for CPA Grip and then join. CPA Grip is legit. Once you earn money on the platform, you can withdraw to your PayPal accounts, your bank accounts, or your Pioneer accounts. So make sure you follow the steps so that you can earn money on this website and then withdraw. Just search for CPA Grip. Once you search for it, create your free accounts and then log in. Once you log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, offer tools. Once you click on it, you are going to select my offers so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on CPA Grip. So as a school, you can see a whole lot of them that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them that you can promote. There are thousands of offers on this platform that you can promote to earn money. But what you have to do is that you have to select one specific country that you have a traffic source so that you can find offers that are available in that country so that you can promote them. In this case, you can see it is currently on United Kingdom. If you scroll down, all these offers that you are seeing, you have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom so that they can take a specific action for you to make money. You can see some of the actions are email and zip code submit, credit card submit. You can see mobile install. So your potential visitors, they have to take one of these actions so that you can be making money on this platform. There are a lot of different offers and the requirement vary. Some of the offers, the requirement is simple. Some of them, the requirement is difficult. So just select any offer that you want. In this case, we are not going to be promoting any of these offers. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to find a different country where we can get offers that can pay us up to $20 per lead. So all these offers that you are seeing, you can see the payout is not up to $20. What we are going to do is that we are going to select a country that has offers with higher payout. So you are going to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any country that you want so that you can find out the offers that are available in that country so that you can promote them to make money from home. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any country that you want. Once you select the country, you find out the available offers in that country that you can promote to earn money. There are a lot of different countries that you can click on to find offers so that you can promote them. There are many of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting offers in Switzerland. So search for Switzerland. Just search for it, Switzerland. You can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on Switzerland, you are going to see a page like this. As a scroll, you can see different offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see the offers. You can earn up to $20, 53 cents per every lead that you get. You can see a whole lot of different offers and the payout is very high. You can see a whole lot of them. As a scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. For the language, it is not in English, so if you want, you can translate them to English so that you can understand what the offers are about. So just right click. Once you right click, you're going to select this option, translate to English. So once you click on it, all these offers, the titles are going to be translated. You can see everything has been translated. Now you can see the titles of the offer. This offer, for example, is access your content now. The payout is $20, 53 cents per every lead that you get. Offers that has titles like access your content now, download your content now, grab your content now. These type of offers are gaming offers. Any offer of this nature is a gaming offer. So if you are promoting an offer like this, you have to promote to people who like games so that they can download the game and then play it. Once you promote the offers, when people enter their details to download the game, you are going to be paid. You can see a whole lot of different gaming content. You can see this one right here, download the latest content. It is a gaming offer. You can see this one, protect your device now. So these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. What we have to do is that we have to select the offers that have higher payout. You can see this gaming offer, download the latest content. the payout is $20.53. So we can promote it. We can also promote this offer. The payout is $16.42. So we have a lot of different offers that you can choose to promote. Any of them that you like, just click on it so that you can promote it to earn money from home. There are a lot of different offers with higher payout that you can select. Make sure you select the ones that have higher payout so that when you get people to enter their details to get access to the content, you can be paid. The best part is that all these offers, the requirement is very simple. You can see it is pin submit, so your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers. Once they enter their mobile numbers, they are going to get a pin which they can submit and then get access to the content. Once they are able to complete the steps, you are going to be paid $20.53. They are not required to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter their mobile numbers and then follow the steps so that they can get access to the content and you are going to be paid. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote, so just select the one that you like and then promote it. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here, play the best games. To promote it, you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the image of the offer. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link, and the one here, you can click right here to select any domain that you want. So just select any domain that you want. You can see this is the description of the offer. You can see the title. These are all the details of the offer. The next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on this link and then enter the required details so that they can get access to the game, and you are also going to be paid $20.53. There are a lot of different traffic sources that you can use. You can use the paid traffic source, you can use the free traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get the right people to click on your link and then enter their details to get access to the game so that you can be paid. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is postquickads.com. This is a website that you can use to promote your CPA offers. You can use it to promote your affiliate offers or your own products. The categories on this website are many, so you can promote any product that you want. And the best part is that you can select your preferred country. There are a lot of different countries that you can select to promote your ad. When you scroll down, you can see the latest ads that people have posted on this website. These are ads that people have posted on the website, so you can equally post your ad on this website without paying for anything. If you want to select any country, you can come right here. You can see USA, Northeast, and you can see other countries that you can select. You can see London, you can see West, other countries. So when you click on other countries, you find out that there are a lot of different countries that you can select. As you can see, these are countries that you can select. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can target, both Europe and other countries. There are many of them. As I scroll, you can see the list are many. You can see different countries that you can target when you are promoting your CPA offers on this platform. In this case, our offer is allowed in Switzerland. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting it to people who live in Switzerland. The category of the offer is games. Once you scroll down to the bottom, you can see right here entertainment. Under entertainment, you can see games, console, you can see downloads and online gaming. The two of these categories are best for us. We can promote the offer in these two categories so that we can get people to enter their details so that they can get access to the offer. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on the category, or you can select the country first. Whatever that you want, you can click. In this case, I'm going to click on the country first, so we are going to select Switzerland. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see there are no changes, but when you look at the heading here, you can see the home, other countries, and Switzerland. So now the ads at the bottom of it is based in Switzerland. All these ads are promoted to people who are living in Switzerland. You can see this, all these offers. You can see the name Switzerland, you can see Switzerland, you can see Switzerland. So all these ads are posted to people who live in Switzerland. What we are also going to do is that we are going to post our ad to people who live in Switzerland. To post your ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down and then select the category of your ad. So you can scroll down and select the right category. You can see the different categories that you can select. You can see they have a lot of them. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to click on the entertainment. Once you click on the entertainment, you have to select a subcategory. So you can select game, consoles, or you can select downloads and online gaming. In this case, we're going to select downloads and online gaming. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, title. You have to paste the title of your ad here, and you can enter a specific location in Switzerland that you are targeting. So what you have to do is that you have to enter the details. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to insert your affiliate link. If you don't watch the full video, you're not going to get the understanding of it. So make sure you keep on watching and then hit the like button so that this video can be displayed to a lot of people. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to copy the title of the offer and then paste it right here. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can get the title of the offer. Once you come back on CPA Grip, what you have to do is that you have to translate the text back to its original language. The people that you are promoting to, most of them don't understand English. So you have to translate the offer back to German so that the people will understand what the offer is about. To translate it, just click on this icon. Once you click on it, you're going to select detected language so that it will be translated back to its original language. You can see this is the original language. It is German. So now that we have translated everything, what we have to do is that you have to highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can enter a location, enter a specific location that you are targeting. There are many locations in Switzerland that you can target, so just enter any of them that you want. In this case, we are targeting all over Switzerland, so we are going to leave it like this. Do not enter any location. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see description. You have to write the description of the offer right here. You don't need to write a lot of information about it. Just write some brief information and then paste it right here. For the description, you can go back on CPA Grip, copy the description of the offer and paste it right here. So you are going to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, you can see this is a brief description of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that we have to insert our affiliate link. Before we insert our affiliate link, we have to type a call to action. So we can type something like click here to get access now, something like this. Click here to get access now. But the people that we are promoting to, most of them don't understand English. So what you have to do is that you have to translate this call to action. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then cut the text. Once you cut it, you have to translate it to German. To translate the text, search for Google Translate. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. You can translate any text to any language that you want. So once you open the Google Translate, what you have to do is that you have to select English. Once you select English, this side you have to select German so that you can translate the English text to German. So paste the text here. That is our call to action. Once you paste it, it is going to automatically translate it to German or any of your preferred language. In this case, we are using German, so it has been translated. Once it translates, click right here so that you can copy your translated text. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can copy your affiliate link and then insert it here. So come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back, highlight this text, just highlight this. Once you highlight it, what you have to do is that you have to click on this icon, the globe. Just click on this icon, the globe. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. Just delete this text and then paste your affiliate link here. So paste your affiliate link. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on OK. Just leave it like this. Your affiliate link has been inserted. Just leave it like this. It is clickable. So when we publish it, you see everything. So just leave it like this. You can see this is the preview of it. You can see everything. This link did not appear here. It is clickable. You can see it is clickable right here. The link did not appear right here. That means everything is okay. Once that is done, you can see the price of the product. So you are going to select 00 because you are not selling it. You want people to get access to the gaming content for free. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, you can see they have different options. If you want your email to be displayed, you can do that. If you want people to contact you through your email, you can do that. In this case, I don't want my email to be displayed, but I want people to contact me through my email. So you select this option. you can see any of these options that you want, you can select it. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to upload the images of the offer. So you can go back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, right click on the offer image. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once you select save images, you are going to see a pop-up like this. Click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to come back, click on choose file so that you can upload your image. Once you click on choose file, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The image has been uploaded. You can upload up to 3 images, but in this case I'm going to use 1 image. Once that is done, you can see people can contact me with commercial interest, so I'm going to select that. Once that is done, you can see I agree to the terms of use by making a post. You are going to select that. Once that is done, you can see they have different promotional options. If you want your ad to be featured for a long time, you can click right here and then select any of the premium options that you can afford. If you want it to be featured for 15 days, you're going to pay $3. For 45 days, you're going to pay $8. 100 days, $12. 270 days, you're going to pay $16. The whole year you're going to pay $20. If you have money, you can select any of that, but in this case you're not going to pay for anything, so select none. Once that is done, you can see extended ad. Want to have your ad running longer? Consider buying one of the following promotions. If you want your ad to run for many days, just click right here and then select any of the days that you can afford. You can see they have different number of days. Just select the one that you can afford. In this case, you are going to select none. You don't want to use any of the premium options. What you want to do is that you want to post it for free. Once you get the money, you can then pay for the premium options. Remember, we are going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that we get. So if you are able to get up to 4 or 5 people, you can use that money to buy the premium ads so that our ads can last longer on this website. But for now, we are going to post it for free, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click on post now. Once you click on post now, you can see congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. So your ad is live, no activation is required. Your ad is live, it has been posted successfully onto the website, so you are going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link. It has been posted successfully and it is live on the website. So make sure you keep on posting different ads onto the website, keep on posting different ads onto the website so that you can get traffic to your affiliate link. It is just simple as that. Keep on posting different ads onto this website. You can select offers from different countries and then post them on this website. Do not promote only offers that are allowed in Switzerland. You can promote offers that are allowed in Canada, UK, any country that you want. You can select an offer on CPA Grip. Come on this website, post it so that you can get a lot of traffic. Make sure you post as many as you can so that you can get a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. Once you get the traffic, you get people who will enter their details for you to make money on CPA Grip. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.